Hello again. Now we will run prom. We will discover prom. After starting prom, here we have the first screen. As you see here, it's a simple platform. It's not difficult to understand. Here we have all the plugins that we have in prom. Okay, but for each plugin we need a special input, and we have also a special output. Okay, now I will start by importing the data, the event log, which is in CSV format, but we need to convert this data into XOS format because prom framework doesn't understand CSV format. For that, we have to start by importing the data. Here we have, for example, the CSV that we will work with. Okay, and now we have the CSV imported. Now we have to convert our CSV into XOS format. I will explain after that what is the composition of our XOS format. Okay, now I will choose this plugin. This is our plugin, Convert CSV to XOS. Here, for example, in fact, for each plugin, we can here we found this information box. Here we have the name of the plugin, the package, the keywords, category, and the others of the plugin. And now we will start the plugin. Okay, here as you see here, we can have our log, like the CSV file. Okay, and here we have the timestamp, here we have the action, and here we have the session ID, which is our case identifier here. All these are options. For my data, I don't need to choose from them. I'm putting like that, and now this is the most important step. Here, for example, we have here we have to make the mapping between our real data, original data, and the XDS data. And here they asked us to perform or to put or to choose which is the case column. Or the case identifier, which is the case ID in our case. Here we will choose the session ID, as I said. Here we have to choose the column that contains all the activities, our events. Here I will choose action, and here we choose the timestamp. Okay, and now we will move to the next. Here also we have optional settings, and you can read them, and maybe your data with your data it's more different. Okay, and now finish. Now we have our XOS log, XOS event log. As you see here, we have statistics about our log. We have 13 cases. We can say we have 13 traces, or we have 13 process instances. We have also 170 events, and here we can see that our log starts on October to Wednesday to October at 12. 12. Okay, and he's 12:20:09, and he and it ends at 12:24:26. Okay. Here we have the inspector. The inspector, in fact, show us all the process instance. For example, for this traces or process instance, which is here we have the case identifier. We have all the composition of our trace. Here we understand that for each for this person or for this trace, he starts by a home index, which is the start option on the digital library, and we have catalog, show, etc. Okay, here for example we can understand that the person choose to show to access to the topic intellectual and to make a research about this article of the topic intellectual, etc. Here we have Explorer. We can also have other visualization. Here we have the log attribute. It's like a tree to explain to us the composition of the XOS file. Okay, and here we have the summary, which is I think the most important, which we can save it as HTML page, and here we have all the statistics, the start event, the end event, and the total number of classes or the type of event. Okay. And the final thing here, that I can export my XOS file here to my computer, okay, and to show what is the composition of my XOS file. Thank you.